Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Cougar Corner. I'm Spencer Gabriel.
And I'm Emily Ruggles. We're going to start our show off today with a series of camps here at Misericordia University.
With us today is Charles McGuire, who's here to tell us all about it.
Thank you guys. I appreciate being here. The beds and air conditioning can't compare to the killer creativity of campers at Misericordia. To aid upcoming seniors, Misericordia hosted career camps for 6 different career paths. The camps give unique experiences providing professional equipment and resources. Campers work with others in a simulated work environment, and that's a formula for friendship. Trivia nights, an ice cream social, and more strengthen bonds between campers, and campers love getting a glimpse into what their futures have to offer.
I'm very interested in the healthcare field in general, and I started lifting and working out and playing sports, and I got very into the muscle side of it and how you could talk to somebody or see somebody and understand how they feel their pain or why they feel their pain based on the movements they're doing and how you can help them.
When I hear the word camp, I think of fun, I think of experience, I think of finding the perfect fit for college and getting a taste of what the program that you want to go into will be like.
The university has held these camps for decades, and hundreds, if not thousands, of campers have decided to attend Misericordia as a result. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Charles. Everyone seems to be getting along great in that simulated work environment. That sure didn't happen at my last job.
Well, we all have jobs either way, and we have a lot to say about them. Next, we're going to be talking about what the camp counselors' jobs are actually like.
With us is Candace Gale, who has spent a lot of time with the counselors and is here to share all that she has found.
Thanks, Emily. Misericordia camp counselors are using their knowledge to help their career campers. Dominic Augustine, a mass communications counselor, sprung into action and readily aided his campers to conduct an interview. He also taught them to white balance and compose a good shot. You can see how intently campers at the literature camp discuss Ulysses. They also explored the many books that have been banned in the United States. Campers shared how much they love literature. Many expressed how they are disappointed so many books have recently been banned.
Helpful. They answer questions in depth and allow me to understand the camp and whether or not I'd like to come here to.
The thing that I hope to see, at least with the camp as an overall, and even with the kids that have decided to come to the mass communications camp, is have an overall better understanding of mass media as a whole.
Due to the hard work of the counselors and faculty at Misericordia, camp attendance is expected to skyrocket in years to come. Sending it back to you guys.
Thanks, Candace. Instead of banning books, maybe they should ban pants with no pockets.
I know. I never know where to put my phone, so I just leave it here.
Okay, we're gonna come to a break now, but when we come back,
we're going to bring you Shannon and Charles from the Not So Late Show.
That was good.
You're so right for me, and I'm right for you. I love the things you do, like sweet tasting wine. Your lips are so divine. Your loving turns me on. My lonely days are gone. That's why I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna let you go. Babe, I'm never gonna let you go. No, no, never gonna let you go.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome, everybody!
To the Not So Late Show.
I'm Charles.
And I'm Shannon.
And today we have a very special guest, Jonathan Castlegrant, also known as Lawn Chair.
Hi, Lawn Chair.
Hello.
Can you tell us why you chose this name?
One day I was sitting outside in my backyard, and I was sitting on a lawn chair, and there was a table next to me and everything. and I was listening to music, and I was like, I want to get famous. So I decided a really popular but unpopular name would be lawn chair.
Was this like a $5 like plastic chair, or is this like a high quality wooden one?
It was a high quality, and I accidentally broke it too.
That's very unfortunate. Now, you've recently released a song called Chairs, and there's been a lot of speculation that it's about someone. Can you tell us who it is?
It is just directed towards Mr. Snoop, because he once came over and broke a chair, and
Snoop Dogg the rapper?
yes, Mr. Snoop Dogg the rapper. He came over and broke a chair.
What did I do?
Whoa!
What did I do?
Whoa!
Snoop Dogg.
Whoa! I thought you liked leaves.
I do like leaves. We're gonna have to turn the not so late show into the late show with this argument.
Ooh, man, you were strong doing that with one hand.
Thank you.
Man, why don't you sit down? Why don't you sit down?
So, did you really break his chair?
Indeed, I did.
Why would you do that?
You know, he messes with me. I gotta mess with his name. Can't be doing that to other rappers if they know that this rapper right here is better than them.
So which came first? Did he disrespect you, or did he break your chair?
That's like asking them what came first, the chicken or the egg. They're not going to agree.
You're right. We should do this. We should have a competition of like.
Let them talk about their talents.
Exactly.
Let's let the worst one go first.
Yeah, how nice of you. All right, so what would your talent be?
Well, I'm a chair designer. I started that last week, and I've been creating pretty good chairs.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's nice. I like chairs.
I don't know how you're gonna top that one.
Oh, my cooking talents, me and Marsha Stewart. We go way back. We have the sage. We have one of my homegrown leaves just right here.
You grow
Look
your
at
own
these.
stuff?
Yes, we do.
Do you grow anything else?
The next question, because you know, we have some precious leaves. We can't give
You
away our
have to grow
ingredients.
something else.
Yeah,
What else do you grow?
I don't mean to be blunt, but like,
No, we don't grow anything else back there.
do you have weeds in your garden?
You know what? This is ridiculous.
No,
Wait,
don't leave.
Don't leave.
That's outrageous.
Well,
That's outrageous. Look at the time.
You don't have a watch. Yeah, you know.
You know what? I think I forgot
coming
something.
back.
I could use these for later.
Not our tree.
Thank you very much, everybody.
All right, well, there goes your tree.
Well,
Now it's definitely it's too late for the not so late
I'm
show.
taking this
yeah,
too.
well, look at the time. I think it's time to go to like commercials and back to the Cougar Corner news.
Some more
This was the
leaves
not so
for
late
me.
show. Bye.
Oh,
my
God.
I think it's just vapor with flavor.
It won't hurt my kid like cigarettes, right?
Vaping is safer than smoking, isn't it?
There's really not even that much nicotine in them, right?
My kid?
My kid knows it's dangerous.
Get your head out of the cloud. Today, nearly 8,000 kids will start vaping, maybe even yours. Learn about the dangers at talkaboutvaping.org.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Cougar Corner.
We're starting to wrap up our show now, and we're going to do it with our favorite topic, food.
Wow, this should be full of excitement.
With us is Spencer Decker, the Gordon Ramsay of news reporting.
Thanks, guys. Want to eat the best food in your life? Visit Misericordia University. Misericordia's career campers stood patiently in line for a deliciously delectable meal. The hearty meals were perfect after a long day of camp activities. Various food options were offered throughout the duration of camp. Roasted turkey, baked potatoes, corn, and garlic pasta were a hit among campers and counselors alike. A complimentary soup and salad bar provided a healthy option for those trying to watch their waistlines. Not only did everyone enjoy the food, but the 5-star service created a community among the campers.
It seems like a lot more professional because they have like all this set up and all these like workers. They have a whole chain. It's not like just we got some food, froze it, put it in a microwave. It's actually they actually have like chefs and such. So it's a lot more professional.
My favorite part about it is, of course, serving good food, and like I said, that smile on the guest's face.
The campers tell us they are ecstatic to come back in the future and share in the food and experiences at Misericordia. Back to you.
Thanks, Spencer. Ah, that's a nice name.
For our final story of the show, we're going to show you some of the wickedly weird talents that our campers have. With us is Kavina Panamgi.
Thanks, Emily. What makes Misericordia University unique? It's not the campus, it's the students and their terrific talents. Here is camper Spencer Decker, who participates in cross country. He sprints an impressive 4:52 mile and goes for that second mile, running a 10:50. That certainly beats the average 9-minute mile. Most people would never describe the mile as a sprint, but then again, the students at Misericordia aren't average. While Spencer might be the fastest student, camp helper little Luca certainly is in the running for best outfits. Luca's outfits are better known as cosplay, where he dresses up as characters. Luca struts his cosplay on TikTok, where he poses as popular anime characters.
Now, you cosplay multiple characters. What are these characters, and do you feel a strong connection to them?
They're Denki Kaminari from My Hero Academia and Chiaki Nanami from Danganronpa 2. And Kaminari is my favorite because in the games he's really overpowered. And Chiaki is my favorite because she's the ultimate gamer.
I definitely like the 2 mile because even though the 1 mile is a very long race, it is actually a little bit of a sprint for me. So I don't do like the short. I've done the 800 once, but you know, doing the longer races helps me like develop longer in the race because I like to make my moves later in the race.
These are only 2 of the talents our terrific student body possesses. There are too many more to mention in this story.
Thank you so much, Kamina. Wow, that wig was really wacky.
And that's the end of our show.
Thank you all so much for watching the Cougar Corner.
Oh, Spencer, I actually have an idea. I wonder if we can say Charles and Kavina's last name 6 times fast.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. McGuire.